Good day everyone, we are OCC 2 Group 9. So, today, you are going on a virtual journey to Hong Kong, where you will explore one of the most iconic dishes in Cantonese cuisine, the whole roasted goose. In the video, Bon Appetit joins Chef Lucas Shin at Roasted Goose restaurant, a legendary spot known for its perfectly cooked goose, crispy on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside. So after watching the video, you need to identify keywords for cooking process and how to describe the dish. Then, you need to write a short summary. Lastly, you have a 3 to 5 minute short presentation. So, let's begin with the video.
The students have to watch the video and identify the keyword for each step and the vocabulary the host uses to describe the food, like how it tastes, feels, looks, or anything else. The students have to list at least 5 words for each step. So this will be the video that the students will be watching. The students have to watch it carefully so that they won't miss any steps. And after watching the video, the students can proceed to this answer sheet and fill in all the required steps, keywords, and vocabulary as identified in the previous video. They can add in more rows if they need more space. So this is a sample answer of how the students should answer. So based on this sample answer, there will be 5 steps identified from the video. And for the keywords and vocabulary, like for example, for the step cutting, the keywords identified are resting, butcher, scape of fat, boneless, and the vocabulary are clean cut, pleasant, gamey, juicy, and thick. However, the answer is not limited to all these. The students can identify more rows, more answers based on their understanding of the video.
I'm Rachel. In this task, you are asked to write a summary essay based on the 5 steps we've already identified earlier: preparing charcoal, marinating, cooking, cutting, and tasting. The summary should include 3 things. Number 1, keywords and vocabulary from each step. Number 2, a clear explanation of the process. Number 3, and some description of the taste or outcome of the food. This is a short example showing how to write the first part of the summary, starting with the introduction and the first step, preparing the charcoal. Notice how it uses number 1, the step which is preparing the charcoal, number 2, a keyword such as fruitwood charcoal, and number 3, some vocabulary including subtle, aromatic, and less sweet. Now this is a longer version that shows how the whole summary might look. It goes through all 5 steps and uses the appropriate keywords and vocabulary for each one. This example can serve as a guide for you to structure your own paragraph, and that's how you do task 2.
Okay, for the task 3, students need to make a short presentation to describe their food through the process, taste, looks, and their opinion. So here's the task detail. After students create their summarized outline through the task 2, therefore, students need to make a short presentation by using several tools that he wanted, such as Canva, PowerPoint, but remember, just a short presentation, just around 3 until 5 minutes is enough. So here's the presentation criteria. First of all, students need to use the word in the video that just now summarized through the task 2, and then in this presentation, students need to summarize the food making step in every step detailedly and is precisely. And the second criteria is students need to use the word in the video and just now summarize the outline and describe the food tastes, looks, etc. about the food. And the last but not least, for the conclusion of the presentation, students need to add their own individual opinion about this food, no matter is their childhood about this food, their maybe a short story about this food, their lifestyle, etc. That's all for this task 3 presentation. Thank you.
So thank you, Kok Jun. Let's move on to the task 4 evaluation part. After the students present their work, they can use this rubric to evaluate their own or their friends' work. So there are 5 aspects here. First is content accuracy. Did they summarize the steps correctly and use the words from the video? And next, organization. Was the presentation clear and easy to understand as an audience? And moving on, language use. Was the grammar good? Were the food-related words used correctly during the presentation? And we also look at the creativity part. Was the presentation interesting? Did the friends share their opinions about the food creatively? And lastly, fluency and pronunciation. Did their friends speak fluently and could they understand what their friends were saying about? So for each part, they can give a score from 1 to 4. This would help them to reflect on what they learned and think about how they can improve for the next time. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next member. Thank you.
So let's talk about the learning outcomes. They complete a task about the Cantonese cuisine, the whole roasted goose. The whole activity was divided into 4 parts. Each of part helped us improve different English skills. First, task 1 required us to watch a video and find keywords to describe food and cooking process, which strengthened our vocabulary on the topic of food. Next, task 2 asked us to summarize the 5 cooking steps in the video, which exercised our ability to extract information and express in writing. Then, the task 3 was a 3 to 5 minute oral report, where we need to summarize the steps and express our own opinions using the vocabulary in the video, which improved our oral expression skills and fluency. Finally, the task 4 was an evaluation of the speech. By understanding our performance, we were able to find our strengths and weaknesses in language and make further improvement.